In this possession, hindi siya yung nakascore pero siya yung dahilan. Klay Thompson creates for a shot and nagmintes, and even out of position si Tracy is nakipag-battle pa rin ito sa bola kahit no chance of getting it. Pero naging way yon para mapunta ang bola kay Jonathan Kuminga for an easy 2 points. Dito naman, binigyan ng Celtics si Jaylen Brown ng kanyang offense. And si Brandon ng Warriors is a great defender. And ayun din ang game plan nila. If hawak ni Brown, makakapag-drive naman talaga siya or makakapag-create ng tira, you just have to make him earn it. Kaya binibigay ni Brandon yung left side, forcing Jaylen to attack to the left. And andon yung shot blocking presence ni Tracy Jackson Davis. Sobrang ganda din talaga na merong Chris Paul yung Warriors. Di ko rin alam bakit ang tagal nila tong ma-figure out na mag-work out tong dalawa. Isang veteranong point guard and a rookie big man. After kasi ng double screen nila, walang nangyari. Pero point guard nga stayed calm, waiting for a reset. And ayun, nag-pick and roll silang dalawa. Although naka-drop na si Horford, yung ginawa ni CP3 is inattract niya pa rin sa mid-range para yung space ng buwelo ni Tracy is maganda. And ayun, another 2 points for the rookie. And sa low post naman, pwede niya ditong escoran si Horford kung meron siya mga post move, pero nag-decide siya na i-run yung set nila. Dapat sana catch and shoot for Klay, pero masikip. Then he decides to screen, nag-hard show si Horford kung saan naging chance for him to separate in that action. Quick thinking also from Klay Thompson, 2 points again. And inulit na naman nila yung ganong action, hand off sabay quick separation kasi nasunod talaga sila kay Klay This time na timingan ni Derek White yung salubong pero may extra pass. Wow, what a luxury for the Warriors na yung big man nyo is always willing to pass kasi ganoon talaga yung game nila dapat scoring on easy baskets from extra passes. Ayun yung identity nila, strength in numbers. They are not leaving it kung si Curry lang talaga yung i-score for them. Dito naman, nakatulala lang si Jason Tatum. Nakuha niya si Tracy the first time, pero nakailang tip na si Wiggins. So, nakuwala na siya from the box out, 2 points. In this possession, mararamdaman ng Warriors na iba pa rin talaga kapag meron kang big man that will always fight for the second chance points. Diba ang sarap sa feeling ng may ganyan? Dito naman, in the clutch, diba mas threat sila kapag merong dunker spot guy? Lalo kapag nag-decide silang umatak. Easy jump for Tracy. Ito naman, yung play of the game for him. So, ginamit nila si Horford bilang corner guy para ma-take away yung interior defense ng Warriors or yung presence. Siyempre, tumitira sa labas si Al, kaya andun din si Tracy. Pero Al is not that deadly. Siguro kung si Kristaps yan, magdadalawang isip din ako. And going to Jaylen Brown, aatake talaga kung ganito yung makikita mo sa inside na space. Pero grabe yung agility ni Tracy and yung timing. Kasi mas okay nga namang iwan mo na lang yung corner kay Al kaysa magkaroon ng easy jump si Jaylen Brown. And what a block from him. He had 10 points, 13 rebounds, and 3 blocks. Sana magtuloy-tuloy na for them. Sa December 23 pa yung next game versus the Wizards. Perfect opponent din to use him para tumaas yung confidence and maging komportable.